How to fulfill orders on CJ Dropshipping tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete your orders using CJ Dropshipping. So let's get into it. First of all, let me walk you through what is CJ Dropshipping. It is basically a platform which allows you to dropship products directly from the vendors to onto your store. You don't have to basically go through any hassle. As you know, dropshipping a business model is also something that you can use and something which is very easy to use. What you do is basically you get a product from a store like this one, like CJ Dropshipping. You get a product for, it says like $6.45, and you can sell it on your Shopify store or any store that you want to connect it to, and you can just sell it for like $8 or $10, and the profit that you're going to make is going to be the thing that you earn from dropshipping. So you can make huge profit if you sell a product that is in, it is, which is in demand and which people need, and it is going to basically give you a lot of profit, and that's how basically you're going to make a lot of money, and you don't have to do anything. What you're going to do is basically whenever a person places order on your store, you're just going on to CJ Dropshipping and you're going to place the order for the product that they have purchased, and it is going to directly ship on the location that it is required. You don't have to do with buying prior, you don't have to face any losses, you don't have to basically worry about any shipment fees, any shipment process. You don't have to get into anything. So it is very easy, and it is also very common these days, and people are earning a lot from this. So CJ Dropshipping is another platform which allows you to drop ship. So how you can basically continue with CJ Dropshipping, this is basically the CJ Dropshipping dashboard, and I have just signed in. And first of all, you have to register yourself on CJ Dropshipping, and then you have to click on this option which says My CJ. Just open that. Okay, so this is basically the My CJ dashboard, and here you can see that these are all the things that I would need while I'm doing business on CJ Dropshipping. So first of all, this is inventory alerts, source products, pending payments, pending CJ orders, and coupons and cards. I'm level 1 seller right now, and this is basically the points I have. My wallet doesn't have any money, and no sales amount is right here. So here you can see this is the main dashboard. Now you have your sourcing. Sourcing offers a solution when you didn't find the product you want to sell. Here basically you can source the product from other websites as well. Then you have your purchase list. If you have any purchase list, if any purchases have been made using CJ Dropshipping, then it is going to appear on the purchase list of your CJ Dropshipping of My CJ. So you can basically go on and open that. I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds until it opens. Okay, so here you can see this is your purchase list. Please select order type. Here you can select the order type, wholesale, pre-order, etc. Then you have please select order status. Then you have all products, changeable, refundable, full payment orders. Then you can basically start or end, and you can search for the products that have purchased in your purchase list. The products are going to be here, their variants, their price, quantity, supplier. It is all going to be here, but I don't have anything right now, so that's why it is very empty. Then you have your inventory. Your inventory is going to be something like this. Then you have your wish list, your random packaging, and your customization. So these are all the things. So this is basically your product inventory, and when this is basically where all of your products are going to be listed. Then you have your orders. Your orders are going to be here. That orders, you can basically track your orders. If they have any disputes, they're going to be here. Then you have your orders fulfillment. If you have fulfilled any orders, it is going to show itself right here. Then you have your imported orders. Imported orders are basically the products that you have imported onto your store that you have connected with your CJ Dropshipping. So how to connect your store with CJ Dropshipping? What you need to do is basically get onto your Shopify, open the apps like this one, open these apps, search for CJ Dropshipping like this. I have already searched, and it is going to ask you to search this product into Shopify App Store. Go there, add the product, install the store, and it is going to be installed and connected with your Shopify. Now, when I'm onto my CJ, let's say I'm into orders fulfillment, what is going to happen is basically when a person purchases something from my Shopify store, I'm going to get an alert on my CJ Dropshipping as well. Then when I open this order, like for example, someone asked to purchase, let's say a beauty cream that I have just, put onto my Shopify. I don't have any orders right now. You can see into my Shopify, but if let's say if I have, then I'm going to onto my CJ, and I'm going to check my imported orders or my product inventory, and I'm going to ask it to submit. I'm going to get an option of submission right there, where I'm just going to submit. When I click on submit, I will be able to pay for that specific product that the Shopify customer have just purchased. When I buy that, CJ Dropshipping is directly going to ship that product on the address that is provided by the customer on my Shopify store. So I just have to pay and submit, click on the submit, and that's it. That my work is done. The thing is going to be directly shipped to the place that it is required at, and that's it. This is how basically you fulfill your orders on CJ Dropshipping. So how you can basically add some products, it is also very easy. What you're going to do is just click on this option on products. You're going to be see that the SKU, the connection, the listed and service products. If you don't have any products right now, that's not a problem at all. What you're going to do is, I'm just going on to my CJ Dropshipping, and I'm going on to the thing that I want to basically source. This is basically health, beauty, and hair. This is what I was talking about, and this is what I am going to sell onto my store on Shopify. So here you can see waterproof oil control matte foundation. I'm just going to click on this option, basically going to connect it to my store. So I'm just going to click on connect. Okay, so to connect, basically what you're going to do is you are going to select a store that you want to list. This is the store that I want to list this product in. And here you can see now I have the store, and enter SKU product name. If you want to add, you can go on. The product from CJ automatic matching. This is the product product number that I have just wanted to connect, and I'm just going to click on this option, which is connect. So here you can see this is basically what is listing. The shipment is from China warehouse. You can charge tax if you want to. Then you have your product type. You can add a new product type if you want, if you have collections, and you can basically variants, bulk revise. You can change the price. You can change all of these things if you want to before actually drop shipping this onto your Shopify. So after you have done anything, you can basically ask it to auto listing. I'm going to basically, you can add a template, and it is going to be used for all of your products that you are going to list onto this. After you are done, after you have checked everything, what you're going to do is, I'm just going to click on list it now. So after you have completed the whole listing, what you're going to do is basically pin it, and you're going to connect it to your store, and it is going to be into your products like this one vacuum electric blackhead remover. You're just going to add that onto your store, and here you can see you are going into your products, and you will be finding this product right here. So this is basically what happens when you drop ship your products from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Now anyone can access this, anyone can order this, and you can basically complete the order with the process that I have just told you before. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope I was a big help to you. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to Softwares Made Easy.